I bet in the history of this, not many people have spoken about this guy. And I think this university should pay more attention to Franklin, so here goes. This university received its original branding campaign in Paris in the 1790s. The major French thinkers of the Enlightenment praised as havens of religious tolerance Philadelphia and Pennsylvania. In the Enlightenment's wake in Paris, a noted Philadelphian, Benjamin Franklin, became a heroic figure. 1791 saw the first publication of Franklin's autobiography in French, printed by a publisher known for printing Enlightenment classics. Only in 1793 did Franklin appear in English, and he appeared in a translation from the original French text. In the 1790s in Paris, a small publication industry promoted Franklin and Franklin's University. This is a pamphlet from 1795, so inexpensive that anyone could have owned it. It describes Franklin's University as the first remarkable educational institution in Pennsylvania. 225 years later, let's remember that this university was introduced to the world in French, and because writers such as Diderot and Voltaire had laid the foundation for Franklin's and Philadelphia's fame. Thank you. And if anyone wants to see them, I have what I call two French Franklins here, and I'll be happy to show them to you if you're interested. Thank you.